Kata, way of doing. This is a really handy grammar point, just like all the rest, that you usually use with verbs. The best way you could use this grammar is in an instructional manual giving directions to someone about the way of doing something. For example, if you wanted to give the heading to a recipe for making a birthday cake, the way of making a birthday cake, that heading would be Tanjoubi keiki no, Sukuri kata. Note that you use the verb stem here with kata. So the verb being used in this case is sukurimasu. Just chop off the mas to get that verb stem, sukuri. Notice also that the particle used here is no. That is really important. I'll give you some other examples of the verb stem. Tabe plus kata. Tabe kata. That means the way of eating. What else? Sukai plus kata would mean the way of using. For example, to use this word in a sentence, you might say something like, Sukai hashi no sukai kata ga wakarimasu ka? Do you understand the way to use chopsticks? A really useful phrase that you might use in Japan, I know I've used it a hell of a lot of times, would be, Sumimasen. この漢字の読み方は何ですか? Sorry, it's a bit hard to write on this thing. This is a really good use of this grammar, and I do use this in Japan all the time. Note that you're using that particle no all the time. Sumimasen, kono kanji no yomikata wa nan desu ka? Excuse me, what is the way of reading this kanji? That's how you can use this grammar.